Hello children, good morning. Welcome you all to the new session 2021. Welcome to the new class 4. Children, I am your Anindita Miss. Myself and Alfonso Miss will be taking your SST class. I will be also taking your literature class along with Anona Miss. Now children, as you know, we are going through the crucial period of the pandemic. You must be following all the rules like not going out frequently, using masks, sanitizers, etc. You must be knowing your SST book. It is the book called My World and I from the University Press, Oxford University Press, and you will be using a single line copy for your SST class. Now children, while having the live classes, you should follow certain rules. Like firstly, whenever you are attending the live class, try to enter it with your name instead of your parents' name. Always enter whenever you are entering the live class, wear your school uniform. You should be disciplined. You should sit in the correct posture, and you should always keep your microphone in mute mode. Keep your book and copy as well as your pencil box ready whenever you are coming to the live class. And children, one more thing, do not do any presentation. If this is my request to you, do not do any presentation while you are having the class, having the live class. Also, if whenever you want to say something or you want to answer something, please write your message in the message box. So children, as you know that today is 22nd April, the Earth Day, when we celebrate worldwide World Earth Day to protect our planet Earth, and we get an opportunity, every person gets an opportunity to take protective steps for our great planet. Earth is our mother planet, children. As like a mother, it gives us food, water and shelter. Hence, it is our responsibility to protect our mother Earth. Isn't it, children? With the increase in globalization, lots of trees are cut down, oceans are polluted and many animals are becoming extinct. But if we all work together, we can make our planet greener and a happier place. Children, there are few small steps which we can take. We can take some measures, some protective steps to save our planet, our Mother Earth. The steps are like, firstly, we can reduce, reuse and recycle things. We can use the 3 R's to conserve our natural resources. We can lessen the amount of using things. We can buy less things. We can reuse them again and again and recycle them so that our nature is not wasted. We can conserve water by using it less and not wasting it. Even we can turn off the taps when they are not in use and let the water be saved. We have to keep our environment also neat and clean so that the pollution is less and our nature is protected and preserved. We should shop wisely by buying less plastic and chemical items which are really very harmful for the environment and for our Mother Earth. And the most importantly, last but not the least, we should plant more and more trees as they provide us with food and oxygen. Children, as you know that trees are a very important part of our lives. So today a small activity I will show you with the help of the leaves which are a part of trees. See this one? This I have tried to make a peacock with the help of only leaves and flowers. Okay, you can make this, or else you can make another picture like this one, a small rabbit with the help of only leaves. Either these two, or children, you can also make any drawing which is related to the Earth Day. Thank you, children. Let's meet in the next class. All the best. Stay safe and be healthy.